We'll guide you through how to transfer notes to Google Keep. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your phone and unlock it so you can access your applications. For this tutorial, you may use any smartphone, but as an example, you can use an Android tablet. Before beginning the process, make sure that the Google Keep app is already installed on your device so you can store and manage your notes there. If you do not have the Google Keep app yet, open the Play Store or App Store on your device and download it before continuing with the steps. After confirming that the app is installed, locate the note you want to transfer to Google Keep. In this example, the notes are stored in Samsung Notes, which is commonly used on Samsung devices. Next, open the Samsung Notes application on your device. Once the app loads, browse through your notes and select the specific note you want to transfer to Google Keep. Tap the note to open it fully so you can see all its content. Before continuing, double-check that it is the correct note you want to move to Google Keep. Carefully review the text or information to ensure nothing important is missing or incorrect. After confirming that the note is correct, look at the top right corner of the screen and click the More Options button, which is represented by a three-dot icon. When you tap this icon, a pop-up menu will appear with several available actions. From the menu that appears, select the Share button, which is represented by a three-dot icon connected with lines. After selecting this option, the pop-up menu will change and display different options for how you want to transfer the file. Choose the option labeled Text File. Once you select this option, another pop-up menu will appear showing the available sharing channels installed on your device. Scroll through the list until you find the Google Keep app. When you see it, tap the Google Keep icon to continue. A dialog box will appear on the screen showing a preview of the note that will be sent to Google Keep. Carefully review the information to make sure everything is correct and properly formatted. If everything looks accurate, click the Save button. Your note has now been successfully moved to Google Keep. To confirm the transfer, return to the home screen of your device. Then open the Google Keep app, and you will see that the note you just added has appeared.